When we think of a CAT, JAT, MAT, CMAT, and of course CET as well, पहले चीज दिमाग में क्या आती है? पैसा. That's the first thing. Yes, and that's obvious. वही आना भी चाहिए. इसीलिए हमने मैनेजमेंट कोर्स चुना है. नहीं तो हम सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में कुछ करते और जाके बोलते भैया रोड पे कचरा साफ करवा रहा हूँ, कुछ पैसा होगा तो दे देना, नहीं होगा तो फिर चलो हम चल रहे हैं वैसे ही. This is how we could have gone. Yes. So when we thought of a program called MBA, we thought of one nice institution which was in your dream. कौन सा? Which college? IIM. Which IIM? अहमदाबाद. Yes. उससे नीचे तो काम ही नहीं चलता. Right? लेकिन थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. We thought of IIM Ahmedabad. Percentile उतना नहीं आया. No, even 99 cannot decide your final entry into the IIM Ahmedabad. What decides? Your skill, your profiling, your statement of purpose, how you are, and जो सबसे पहला सवाल होता है that tell me what is it, who you are. आपको ये नहीं बताना है कि सर I am my name is XLRI, right? इंटरव्यू तैयारी किया आपने, तो उसमें हम क्या बताते हैं that मैं कौन हूँ? So ideally when we think of MBA, we should not think money first, we should education first. As a student we are related to understand sir जैसे research करते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट में sir कैसा क्या करते हैं, and we obviously ask highest placement, medium placement and lowest placement. कोई ये नहीं पूछता सर ऐसा भी होगा क्या placement नहीं मिलेगा, but we are so confident हाँ जाएगा मिल तो जाएगा, क्या मिलेगा पता नहीं, but who will get the placement? In entire size of 60, everybody will get the same placement or the lowest placement. Lowest भी मिल सकता है, highest भी मिल सकता है, जो हम सुनते हैं कितना सुनते हैं हम? 70, 50 LPA. कितना हुआ 50 LPA? 15 लाख रुपए पर एनम. ओ 50 की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके 50 लाख रुपए कम नहीं है. कम है ना? हाँ, यस. तो कितना चाहिए हमें? How much you think of? In CR, yes. In month wise or? Oh, day wise? Year wise, okay. So जब CR में बात करते हैं तो कितना CR? एक सिंगल वाला या फिर डबल डिजिट वाला CR? ट्रिपल? Okay.
आप लोग मैंने बहुत बार बोला कि यू आर ऑल दिस जनरेशन वेरी एक्टिव ऑन सोशल मीडिया. आप सोशल मीडिया पे जाके रिव्यूज रील्स देखते रहते हो कि which particular university is contributing in what way, what are the different professors of practice available, what are the different activities happening. So today with changing things in AI, you will get this answer very fast. You can summarize it, tell AI to suggest these are my inputs and please suggest me the best from finding out from these 5 universities. Okay?
So एक एडिशन मैं इस पे करूँ, अगर एक यूनिक फीचर आप अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में बता दें, तो थोड़ा बच्चों को क्लैरिफाई करें क्या देखना चाहिए और?
Yeah. See, at MIT Vishwaprayag, Solapur, we believe that students have to aspire meaningfully. मतलब एक पर्पस होना चाहिए. You have to go ethically. We are very rooted in culture. The philosophy on what we work is heart of the family, mind of the future. तो अगर आप मास्टर्स भी कर रहे हो तो भी आप सबको पता है कि घर में एवरीथिंग रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड यू. घर वाले पूछते हैं अच्छा आपके एजुकेशन के लिए इतना पैसा लगेगा, फिर इस पर रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होगा, तो इस जाके क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा. तो आपको एक तो आप रोल मॉडल भी बन जाते हो दूसरों के लिए अगर आप करने आते हो. तो वी वांट टू मेक यू द बेस्ट रोल मॉडल्स टू आफ्टर टेकिंग अप एजुकेशन एंड प्रोपोगेटिंग अदर्स. जैसे यहाँ पे सब पूछ रहे हैं कि मैंने MBA करना चाहिए या नहीं, तो अगर आप MBA के लिए एडमिशन राइट जगह लेते हो, राइट पढ़ाई करते हो, पैशनेटली करते हो, नॉट ओनली रनिंग बिहाइंड कि मुझे प्लेसमेंट मिल रहा है या नहीं, बट नॉलेज गेन करते हो, अपस्किल होते हो, तो opportunities will knock your door. You will get good companies coming to you, and you can also be a role model for others how they should start studying. So that is what we created.
One and all, respected panel members, Verma sir, and the audience before me. Thank you for bringing this question to the panel. Now see, MBA or maybe the PGDM, let's treat as one at this point of time, just to keep it this answer more simplified manner. It is all about the upskilling ourselves. Right, and MBA is one of those courses or kind of a courses which are going to enable you on the front of humility, or having the interpersonal ability and connecting with the people beyond your network or network of network again. This way MBA can help you and enable you to maintain the human touch through this interpersonal ability, and in the time of AI era as well, you are able to network with the people and understand the importance of creativity, and MBA is going to help you on that front. So use of AI, we cannot separate from our lives today, and maintaining that thing in mind, we have to enable ourselves and go hand in hand, making use of AI more ethically in today's time, and upskilling ourselves on the other hand would help us to go ahead and be ethically or be more value-based approach.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
because when you get into an MBA program, it is not only about the academic delivery there. Okay, because the college also take responsibilities of the placement, so they get best of the people from the industry who will tell you how should you prepare for different job roles. Okay, so do not worry much about that. But having said that, you probably might want to understand how good are your quant skills. And many who are getting into a management program and they don't have to deal with the numbers and mathematics, that's the bad news for you. This is going to stay with you for lifelong. Okay. So one website I have recommended to a lot of kids who I met today, that is probably I would like to share with others also, mbamath.com. Okay. So visit this website, you will understand what level of mathematics is used, what level of quant skills are required, and also some basic preparation even before you begin your MBA program. Okay. Having said that, at Mahindra,
उसके बाद चाहे कॉर्पोरेट में जाओ या ना जाओ, मास्टर्स करो ना करो, once you get into business or corporate life will fit, right? But we think, right, what do you think that as well? It's not 9 to 5, I say this at 9 to 9, right? You should be available 24% for your courses, right? But those are not सीखने के, जीने के, सिर्फ करने के. Ask us, like, we are professors, we are in the same institution now, but life is not same for us also. So like, ये 2 साल सीखने वाली, कुछ करने वाली करो, उसका will. And you remember that after you went to corporate your own business, that वो लाइफ होगा चाहिए. अब मत सोचो, पहले जीना चाहिए. 2 साल जियो, मजे करो, फिर ज्वाइन करना corporate.
Right, sir. Right. Thank you very much, all professors. Yes, up at you. Got the answer?
We cannot completely ignore the AI part. See, again, after the digital transformation, the AI into the picture, it has also transformed the traditional way of how we work, be it any discipline for that matter, like HR or marketing, finance and operations. The way we earlier used to work and the way now we are working, there is a complete transformation happens. So we are again preparing you guys how you can sensibly use AI to perform your job in a better way. So that is what as a B School or the MBA degree going to help you, how you can even develop this skill, how you can even integrate the AI into your traditional method of the way you work. It's going to help you perform your job in a better way.
Right. Yeah, in fact, that's the call of the day. Now, how effectively do you use AI is the question. Now, you have to use AI at some point of time. Yes, you are all aiming for an MBA program or a PhD program. Now, how effectively do you make decisions based on AI? AI calls for a lot of data. You have to use data. How effectively do you use AI? Now, there are a lot of calls like companies laying off people with respect to AI. Of course, there is a problem. But how effectively, as MBA students or PhD students, do you use AI? As an MBA program, most of these schools help you to use AI in an effective way so that you upskill yourself. So that's the whole point we are discussing.
That business process is very much important to grow in any organization. I have seen so many executives who are doing 20, 30 years of job. They don't understand the process that is happening in the organization. Just try to understand that ecosystem and then you will survive in that ecosystem.
Right, sir.